Pyramids are mysterious structures. I first read about the pyramids in the year 1982 through a book titled Secret Power of the Pyramids, authored by Bill Schull and Ed Pettit. Then I called my carpenter and asked him to give me two small sized pyramids. Then he did make two small pyramids with Decolam sheets, and then I put one tomato inside one pyramid and one tomato outside the pyramid. That outside tomato put it in 3-4 days. The inside tomato stayed fresh for 1 month with a little of desiccation. Then I started putting the pyramid on the heads of people because I was already into meditation. So then I found their meditation was very deep with the pyramid on their heads. So that is my first encounter with the pyramid energy. Later on, in the year 1991, we built a big pyramid in Kurnool called as the Buddha Pyramid Meditation Center, where it's a 30 feet by 30 feet pyramid where 200 people can happily sit and do meditation. So that is the first pyramid meditation center perhaps in the whole world. That was in the year 1991. Subsequently, the second pyramid came in Uravakonda in Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh in the year 1996. Afterwards, a number of pyramids have come up everywhere. Now, in Andhra Pradesh, more than 1,000 pyramids are there in various villages, towns of various sizes. Recently, last year, we have built a very big pyramid near Bangalore, where 5,000 people at a time can sit in meditation. So, it's such a beautiful pyramid. We call it as the Pyramid Valley. We want everybody in the whole world to visit the Pyramid Valley near Bangalore for beautiful meditation experience. We have discovered that meditation, when being done inside a pyramid or beneath a pyramid, then that is thrice more powerful. Especially for beginners, the pyramids are highly useful for them to get into a meditation mood very quickly. Whatever you do inside a pyramid energy field, then that gets enhanced. We are now currently in a great pyramid energy era. So, especially for meditation, it's absolutely recommended. And if you are constructing some meditation center, it should be constructed in the form of a pyramid. So, what are the dimensions of a pyramid? It's a square base with the 4 walls angled at the same angle as the Great Pyramid in Egypt. So, when you follow the same angle, and also the pyramid should be oriented towards the north and south, the magnetic north and south. Then what happens? We have a small replica of the Great Pyramid in Egypt. That Great Pyramid was built by masters from other galaxies more than 10,000-12,000 years back. That's what we hear from those people who know the science of meditation. Those people who have done a lot of meditation, who have got cosmic information. Pyramids are very, very mysterious structures. How that such kind of energy is generated, that depends upon Earth's gravitational or any gravitational field of any Earth, any planet, vis-a-vis the relationship with other structures, other star systems. So each Earth has got its own unique angle, and in the physical creation, there are n number of earths, n number of planets revolving around n number of suns. So everywhere there is this pyramid technology, and when you construct a pyramid, even 4 poles are enough to get that energy field. It is very, very easy to manufacture pyramids on a small scale or to construct pyramids on a big scale. And our whole movement, now it is called as the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, based upon the pyramid model and the pyramid energy. The main aim of the movement is to construct pyramids in all villages, in towns, in cities, so that all people will do meditation inside pyramids. And everybody will be able to increase their rate of growth in evolution by the help of pyramids, by the help of pyramid meditation. We already have millions of people who have got great experiences in pyramid meditation. We are sure in another few years, then the whole world will be pyramids. And we hope to achieve a pyramid jagat, a pyramid world by the year 2016. By the year 2016, we are sure there will be everywhere pyramids. Pyramid energy will be utilized for multiple purposes: meditation, preservation, healing, sleep, and also regular pyramid houses will be built, where the whole house is inside a pyramid, pyramid offices, even pyramid dairy farms, where pyramid energy will be utilized for the cattle, for the cows, for better milk production, so many ways. So, welcome to the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, welcome to the pyramid energy, and welcome to the pyramid age.